Page Layout View allows you to view the worksheet along with the print settings. Page Layout View also displays horizontal and vertical rows to assist with measurements. A header is text that prints at the top of each worksheet, and a footer is text that is printed at the bottom of each worksheet. Excel includes predefined headers and footers you can select from a drop-down list, or you can create your own custom header or footer text. Before printing the profit sharing bonus worksheet completed earlier, you want to add identifying information in a custom header and footer and check other print options using Page Layout View. We're going to open ES3 WB Employee Bonus. Click the Page Layout button located at the right side of the status bar near the zoom slider, right down here. Right now we're in normal view, Page Layout. If necessary, use the horizontal and vertical scroll bars to adjust the window so that the worksheet, including the white space for the top, left, and right margins, is entirely visible. So I'm going to click here on the zoom out. Maybe a bit too far. There we go. Hover your mouse over the text. Click to add header near the top of the center of the page. Headers and footers are divided into 3 boxes. Click in the desired box and then type the text or insert header and footer elements. By default, text in the left box is left aligned, text in the center box is centered, and text in the right box is right aligned. Click in the left header box and type your first and last names. Click in the right header box and type date printed, and then hit spacebar once. Click the current date and time button in the header and footer elements group right up here. Click the current date. Excel inserts a code which causes the current date to be inserted at the location of the code when the worksheet is printed. Click the Go to Footer button in the navigation group. The right footer box at the bottom of the page opens for editing. Click the File Name button in the header and footer elements group. Excel inserts the code which causes the workbook file name to be inserted at the location of the code when the worksheet is printed. Click anywhere in the worksheet area outside the footer to close the footer section. Scroll to the top of the worksheet to view the header. Notice that Excel now displays the current date in place of the code. Look at the bottom of the worksheet and notice that the file code now displays the workbook name. Click the Page Layout tab. By default, the header and footer margin is 0.3 inch. In the next step, you will adjust the header and footer margins to provide more white space at the top and bottom of the page. Click the Margins button in the Page Setup group. Custom Margins. Change the margin settings as indicated below. Okay, so we're going to make top 1, bottom and left 1, header and footer 0.5. And then click OK. Review the new margin settings in Page Layout View. Okay, so I'm going to scroll up here so we can get a better look at it, and you can see the margins are bigger all the way around. Okay, print the worksheet. We're not really going to print, but we're going to go File, Print, and look at it. It is on one page. Margins look nice. Click the Normal button located at the right side of the status bar. Okay, so I'm going to go back to viewing normal. Save and close.